Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video what I'm going to be showing you is how exactly you can earn some extra cash on YouTube without even making videos. When I say without even making videos, or without Google AdSense, because most times we only believe that we can earn money on YouTube if we're monetized. So I'm going to show you today on how to earn some extra money on YouTube without even being monetized, and that is through affiliate marketing. In case you don't know what affiliate marketing is, affiliate marketing refers to earning a commission by promoting a product or service made by another brand. You can become an affiliate marketer for brands and include product placements, endorsements, or other types of content. However, you must disclose the partnership to the viewers in your videos. This works especially if you review products as part of your YouTube channel. Since there's no risk involved on the brand's end, they only pay when they make sales. There's usually a low bar to getting started, and a popular market affiliate program is called click banking. So as I'm saying, I'm going to show you how exactly you can promote a product and even get sales via YouTube Shorts. If you want to make money, I strongly recommend that you begin making YouTube Shorts, because when we look here, you can see here in this YouTube short by Hannah, it says, "Did you know about this gym hack?" So when we look at it, this is just a 9-second video with over 27,000 views. Okay, now look at this. Did you know about this gym hack? And there you see you have a woman just exercising like that, and before you know it, look at this. When we go in the description, you can see here it says, "Download my health and fitness app, OWNU, and start your 7-day free trial." When you go ahead and open this here, you can see that definitely this is an affiliate link. This is an affiliate link, and she will indeed earn a commission from this website here when you sign up and join. Especially if you make a purchase, she will be getting a commission. Okay, and what you can do, you don't necessarily need to promote this product. Here you can go on this website here. I've did extensive research on this website, offervol.com. And when you go ahead on this website here, you can be able to promote products and earn a commission from just promoting products. I'm telling you, the only way that you can't make money on YouTube is only if you don't want to make any money on YouTube, because there are countless ways. There are countless ways to be earning money on YouTube, and here is exactly one of them. So you can go here, and any product that you want to promote, let's say you want to promote fitness. Okay, if you have a fitness channel, there you can see we have multiple networks willing to pay you to promote their services, and you earn a commission from doing so. Now, if you want to learn more about this, you can go ahead and click the link in the description, whereby we'll be showing you countless ways on how to earn money on YouTube, as well as we will be making consistent videos on how to do so as well. In the coming videos, we will show you step by step on how to get monetized on YouTube. So if you're interested in getting monetized on YouTube, whereby you can get ads on your video, you can leave a comment in the description below, and definitely we will get back to that. So guys, make sure to take this information on, make sure to do your own research, and make sure to capitalize on this right now. So with that being said, I hope you guys have an amazing day and earn some money. So see you in the next video.